In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to connect your N8N automation to a Google Cloud product to give you access to all Google products like Gmail, Google Drive, any product you want. This is very important. Check it out how I'm going to do that so you can do that as well. Okay. So basically, the first thing you need to do, you have to have a Google account, like a Google Cloud project. I have a few projects because I use that a lot, but one that I'm using for demo is the JA Consulting. Okay, this project. So when you come to this project, one of the first things you have to do, let me show you the credential, API and the credential. This one, you have to come in here, you have to create one of this type application. I have a few already because I tried different things. For example, N8N Dev Demo, it's one of that the client application that I create, as you can see here, client web application that I create to allow me to use my N8N automation to interact with the Google product. So all you have to do, most important, is this callback. So when you're going to create, for example, new credential, actually let me just show you here. It's going to give you what is the callback. You copy this callback and then you're going to put it that here, and then it's going to generate a client ID that you need to copy the same client ID, and then you have to put the client ID here. The client secret key, it's very important. Once you download it, once you copy it, you're not going to have access. It's your responsibility to save that client secret key very secure. Okay, and then when you copy the client secret key, you put it here as well. What's going to happen? It's going to enable a button for you to log in into the Google to use this application, okay, as let's say as your client provider, that the Google is going to give the authorization to interact with all application you need. It's also very important, for example, here on the API and the credential, on the API and the service, that you come in here, let's say, for example, calendar. You see calendar API, to make sure you enable. For me, API is already enabled. I don't have to do anything, but you will have to enable that as well. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to communicate, to have your N8N here application, let's say a node to interact with the Google. So here on the calendar, as you can see, I have a connect to this Google API, and then all I'm doing is add attendees to my webinar. Okay, so stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you're going to add attendee to your webinar. In this video, it's just to connect the Google N8N with your Google project on the cloud. Stay tuned.